So what are you making, baby?
Well, I didn't do the sweet potatoes for Thanksgiving, so I decided I was going to make some Tex Mex sweet potato fries. We've had them before, they're yummy.
Oh, they are.
So that's what we're doing. Hopefully I can cut these up. Turn on that cabbage.
It's a 16-inch fan. You're going to mount it up. We're in a temperature switch relay.
You keep wiping the Jeep.
Yeah, you're just sweating on everything. The whole floor over here. I can't step back in. Okay, we didn't have to move the exhaust. We didn't have to jack up. We didn't have to do anything. Look at that.
I'm going to cut off the ends. That's good. Let's see. Yeah, they're hard, y'all. All these JoJo's. Aren't they like steak fries now? Look how big that is. But why, if you cut them thinner, they kind of just become like really soggy, limp McDonald's fries or something.
Nobody wants that.
Alright. Cut that in. There we go. Much easier.
So is that why you make the flat surface?
Yeah, it's easier to get through. And I may need to sharpen my knives a little bit. They're pretty sharp, but I probably need to sharpen them again. Ooh, that's a big one. These are steak fries, babe. I'm not mean to name them steak fries. I think I am. I'm going to name these steak fries. Look how big. That's not a fry. That's a steak fry. You know, when you go to a steakhouse and they give you these really big fries. It's a steak fry. I might need to cut that one in half. No. It'd be too. No. I cut them differently depending on how it's been cut or whatever, because sometimes, you know, you gotta have them pretty even, and that's the reason why you guys see me cutting them all differently. That's okay. Alright.
He always kills me.
Ooh, running out. It's not done yet. Probably can do this in a bowl better, but I just like making things harder. I'll put it in my recipe to do it in a bowl. Just try to fit them down flat. Because they're gonna get smaller once you start cooking them. So you'll be able to move them around a little bit more. We marinated 20 minutes. And now we're sticking them in the yeah, they're good. A little crispy on the outside. You're in there. And a little soft in the middle, just like potato. Ooh, look at that. I'm gonna leave them down. I'm gonna mess with them. Ooh, look at that one. Yum-ho.
Y'all stay tuned.
Alright, let's see if we can do this. That'll work. I'm gonna have to cut that up a little bit differently. That's funny. Alright, so I'm gonna have to cut some of that out. These are hard to get through. Normally, if I wasn't trying to make steak fries, I would just cut this bad boy in half and be done with it. But see, I was trying to make a flat surface so I can go down.
Bella!
She's not gonna stop, she's a dog.
Stop eating!
Oh my goodness. And she's crunching more.
She only eats when we're doing something.
No, she eats when she's bored. And we're not entertaining her right now, so she's eating.
I might hear that all on the video.
Bella, come here. Come here, Bella. Stay over there. Stay. No. Go over there. Go over there.
Bella!
Go over there.
Who's a good doggy? You're a good doggy? Now go lay down.
Nope. Nowhere near. Nope. Nope. They're getting there though. Stop it. Let's see.
Oh, those smell good.